Pascal, you have changed the lighting. Yeah, I know. I think, you know, if you compare this to the streams from like 6 months ago, the lighting has actually changed because I have like a freaking bright lamp in my face and I don't have the other lamp because my, you know, the other lamp was a construction lamp. For some reason, I really enjoyed the color of that. But it's my father needs at his construction site, you know, so at the moment it's kind of bright. You see me in, yeah, you see everything of me, and I'm I would love to have the other thing back, you know. Room tour we need. Yeah, this is actually not a big room, you know. Like I can give you a room tour right now. It's not, yeah, like if you want a room tour of this room, here's not too, I can, the quickest thing to do a room tour is, yeah, here you go. that's the room tour, you know. Yeah, we have books. I could show you all the books where Heidi is laying at the moment. I don't know, you know. Bit up the new YouTube vids. Merci beaucoup. Pumpkin soup I try in my friend's house. I tried it once and it was good, to be honest. Yeah, pumpkin soup is just the thing. Okay, wait, now if I do a room tour, then I'm really gonna do a proper room tour. Wait, is my phone somewhere? Yeah, but it's a little bit of a mess, you know? It's a little bit of a mess, but yeah. Are you going to be a fashion designer because of the thing, mannequin? It's from my pre-owner. Would be cool to be a fashion designer, but no, I'm not aiming for that. Love the mannequin. Yeah, it's amazing. Wait, okay, so we go for a small room tour, you know, and it would be maybe smarter if I now clean it here a bit, but it isn't. I give you the raw room tour. So so this is, can I show you everything? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, okay. Anyways, so this is the lamp I was speaking about. It's too freaking bright, you know. There you guys are. Like when I'm communicating with you there. Then here are all the books. Hey, by the way, this little fox I also once showed you, this also from my mom. From her pottery thing, you know. Yeah, here always what you can see in the thing. Here you can also have a close-up. These are my French bubbles from French, and those are this favorite book when I was younger, second favorite book when I was younger, Mimos, and my man Apollo, I guess. Okay, you look, it's so bright that you can see it in the reflection. I can't believe. Let's go with the light source. Look how bright that is. Like, and I'm like, usually I have the construction light there between the books, but yeah, as I said, my father needs. Oh, there's also the penguin, the fan from everybody who was in French. You know, we also have this as a small gift from my mom. Amazing. Oh, it would be so nice if he would move any to them. Shouts out. Here we go. More books. A little bit of personal things over the left, so therefore I can't show too much there. But look, when you see this thingy, that shows that I got the book from the library because they didn't need it anymore, and therefore I bought it for like really 50 cents. And you can see it also on the Harry Potter books that I bought them vintage. Shout out for the Peng. How are you surviving with this light in your face? And I really have no clue how I'm doing that. Look, and those are all the books from my mom. Oh, by the way, this is a tradition. Basically every birthday, I buy my mom a book from this National Geographic series because she really likes travel books. And you know, when I was younger, and by the way, here it's me. When I was younger, for example, that really worked. Like I bought the book, like with my brother, a book for example, of Norway, and then like we had the idea, okay, when my mother is reading this, she's interested on going on vacation to Norway, you know, and guess what? Next summer was Norway, so we manipulated the shit out of her. Anyways, yeah. Yeah, by the way, this lamp is so cool. This is also from the pre-owner of the house, you know? Nice hair, Pascal. Let's go with my hair. it's just shorter. Yeah, actually this lamp, I would love to also have it in my student dorm. Anyways, what can I, yeah, there is Mr. Problemo, the Wi-Fi thingy. Then, Mr. Problemo. Then we have here our little lady sleeping next to me. Yeah, she's really like, yeah, my parents are in the garden, and Heidi could be also outside with them, but Heidi really wants to come inside and chill with me, you know? So it's my pleasure to be here with her. And here's a big mess. Here, by the way, yeah, here I have some pullovers and all the stuff, the dumbbells, not the dumbbells, the things, here our Country River game. What I want to say, on this sofa, I slept for, yeah, I think more than 4 months, like 6 months straight on this sofa. And then I somehow had the idea of put the mattress where Heidi is sleeping right now. But this is the sofa where your boy was sleeping on the whole time, with the golf stick and my mat. Yeah, but it's actually a really mess. But some stuff is really cool in this room. Like, why is he not in the middle? Like, why is he in the corner? Like, he could be also here, you know? Anyways, I think it looks cool. Yeah, what can I also show you? Ah, look, these are all music for my parents. Like the OOG music, you know? Also kind of cool. And yeah, I think this is the whole room tour. Nothing. Ah, yeah, and this is for everybody who's joined late to the stream. We have a name even for her. Like, not my parents, the stream and me call her Christina. So, yeah. Ah! Yeah, and this is also still there. The thing for my dreams. Shouts out. Okay. I gave you the whole room tour. Ha! Room tour is also over for this room. Let's go. Alright. Oh, the break is even over. Perfect timing. We go for the next 60. Pascal, show the garden, please, not your parents, just the garden. Oh, yeah, but you know, there is not so much garden. There are only trees. On the other side is the garden. So, Pascal, you look tall. I don't only look tall, I am. No, I'm not. I'm medium size. Anyways,